take these hoses off, just squeeze this one and it slides back. There's a couple locks on there. This hose right here, there's a lock on top. You just push down, try to slide that back. And same with this one, push down. Might have to push it in a little bit first, then you can push down and slide it off. There's 3 nuts holding this on. You want to use a 10mm socket. Take those nuts off. Take those all off. Now you should be able to slide this down and disconnect the connector. Just slide up and slide it out. Before you pull this out, you might want to take a blowgun and just gently just blow any sand out of that area around where the valve is. I'm going to just grab the valve. You can see where there's an arrow right there. You want to go the opposite of the arrow because you want to take it out. So twist it like you're untwisting it to the left. And you might need something to pry up on it, just a slight screwdriver. And just slide it out, just like that. Make sure none of the dirt's in there. Take the new one, same way the old one came out. Slide it in position, and then twist it to the right, lock it in place. Now we can reinstall this, line the connector up, plug it in, and line the studs up. Put the nuts on. And snug these down. And connect all the tubes. Lock it down. And lock those down. Those are secure. We're all set.